Hello everyone, this is Lakshmi. Once again, welcome to my channel Math Super Tips and Tricks. In this channel, I'm going to discuss various levels of examinations, objective type examination at the moment I'm taking care. So, it is mostly helpful to you. I'm using amazing tips and tricks. You can solve the questions within fraction of seconds. Okay, it is a very helpful video, helpful channel. So what are the tips and tricks? You can observe all videos from my channel. Today's video I'm going to discuss about the very most important chapter regarding MSET. So from this chapter nearly 2 to 3 questions will come in MSET point of view. Amazing super duper tips and tricks I'm going to discuss. Are you ready to watch? Okay, let's get started without delay. Come on. Okay, what is this topic today? Look at here. Indefinite integrals already I did in the previous class. This is definite integrations. Definite integration is one of the easiest chapter. You can focus the any type of question within fraction of seconds by using the super duper tips and tricks. So look at these questions now. From these 4 questions I written here, within fraction of seconds I'm writing the answer for these 4 questions. Look at the first question. Integral of root over 10 minus x by x minus 8 between the limits 8 to 10. This answer I am giving as pi. Okay. Next, how it is I will explain. First of all, what is answer I am giving quickly. You can get idea about this one. I will mention why I am taking this is pi something. First of all, what I am doing, we can follow it. This is also clearly pi. It is integral of 1 by root over x minus 2019 into x 2020 minus x from the limits 2019 to 2020. This is nothing but pi. Now come to the third question. I am saying this answer is pi by 2. This is in the form of integral of root over 4 minus x of x minus 2 between the limits 2 to 4. Now come to this question, fourth question. Integral 1 by x under root x minus 2 of 8 minus x from the limits 2 to 8. This answer is pi by 4 we can get. Why I am taking this 4 quickly within 1 second? For that you have to know some tips. What are those I will discuss first of all. Here we can observe that these 4 formations, what we can observe that, for example, first one, integral of root over 10 minus x by x minus 8. Here 8 is a lower limit, 10 is upper limit. Here 2 factors are there under root. X minus lower limit, here upper limit minus x. These 2 factors are important, all these 4 types. Same way here also, what are the limits here? 2019 to 2020. Here same factors, x minus lower limit into upper limit minus x under root. Formation will be different but terms will be same, factors will be same. Come to the next question. Integral of root over 4 minus x of x minus 2 between the limits 2 to 4. Here 2 is lower limit, 4 is upper limit. Here factors are what? Upper limit minus x into x minus lower limit. Now look at this one, fourth one. Integral of 1 by x of under root x minus 2 of 8 minus x. What are the limits here? 2 to 8. Here also factors are what? X minus 2 means x minus lower limit into upper limit minus x. Here one extra x will be there. In these 4 forms we can observe that limitations will be same, means a to b like a to b. Factors will be same. Factors here upper limit minus x, lower limit x minus lower limit. Here also all these cases that some same thing is only there. So we can get idea about these 4 formations. We can come to this tip. First one. If the integral is in the form of a to b under root over b minus x by x minus a. This is simply pi by 2 of b minus a. What you can observe that this one, integral of lower limit is a, upper limit is b. Factors are upper limit minus x, lower limit x minus lower limit. Under root, these factors are 1 in the numerator, other in the denominator under square root. That value you can take immediately pi by 2 of b minus. Come to the question number 1. It is in the same form only. In place of a, what is there? 8. In place of b, 10. b minus x, 10 minus x. Here, x minus a, x minus 8. In place of a, there is 8. According to that formula, what is the answer? Pi by 2. Pi by 2 of b minus a. Pi by 2 of b minus a. b means 10. 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 is how much? 2. 2 by 2 gets cancelled. The answer is pi. What are given? Pi only. Right? Now come to the next tip. If the integral is in the form of same factors, 1 by both are under the square root in the denominator, like x minus a of p minus x. Limits are from a to b. This is nothing but pi, where a, b are any values, lower limit and upper limit. Here, what is there? Look at the question number 2. Lower limit is 2019. In place of a, 2019 is there. In place of b, 2020 is there. Here, x minus a, p minus x. Immediately can take it as a pi. That's it. Now come to the next one. Integral a to b, root over x minus a of b minus x. This is nothing but pi by 8 of b minus a whole square. Pi by 8 of b minus a whole square. You have to remember. If you remember, then it will be easy. You know what are the formations here and there, you can understand clearly. Look at the third question. This in the same formula. In place of b, there is 4 minus x into x minus a means x minus 2. What is according to this formula? Pi by 8. What is a pi by 8 into b minus a whole square? Pi by 8 into b minus a, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, 2 square, 4. Pi by 8 into 4 is pi by 2. Right? Now look at the next tip. Same formula, a to b, 1 by x of under root x minus a of b minus x is there. This is pi by root ab. Pi by root ab. According to that tip, what is this answer? A is 2, b is 8. Pi by root a into b, 2 into 8, 16. Root 16 is 4. That is pi by 4. That's it. Just you have to follow those tips for these 4 bits. If you know the tips and tricks, very easy. But those tips and tricks also you have to remember easily. There is no difficult at all. You can follow. How can you remember it? Then you can apply easily. Is it clear? Now look at some more amazing tips. Ready? Right. The question number 5 is integral of root x by root over pi minus x plus root x between the limits from 2 to 3. First I will explain this tip. What is this tip? If the integral is in the form of fx by f of a plus b minus x plus fx, where a, b are lower limit and upper limit. Integral from a to b, where a, b are lower limit and upper limit. What you can observe that here, fx by, in the function x, there will be a plus b of minus x plus same function fx. Then this resultant value is upper limit minus lower limit by 2. What are maybe upper limit and lower limit? A b minus a by 2. This one you can apply for these questions. Very simple tip. Very, very important also. How it is, we'll see now. In this question, we can observe the, in place of fx, root x is there. Here, what are they? Be 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. F of, means what? Root over 2 plus 3, 5 minus x. Means what? F of a plus b minus x. In place of fx, what is there? Root x. Here, root over a plus b minus x. 2 plus 3, 5 minus x. Plus fx means root x. According to that formula, what is the answer? SB minus a by 2. 3 minus 2 by 2. That means 1 by 2. That's it. Is it clear? Only one step. Now come to the same way for this question. In place of fx, sin x is there. Power water may be power 20, 20 or maybe 20, 30 water may be 20, 16 water may be. Okay, same power must be have. Sin x power 20, 20 is a function. What is our denominator? Fx here, f of a plus b. Pi by 6 plus pi by 3. Pi by 6 plus pi by 3 is a pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x with the power 2020. Same function fx. Now it is also in the same form. In place of fx, what is there? Sin power 20x. Here f of a plus b minus x. A, b are what here? Pi by 6 and pi by 3. Pi by 6 plus pi by 3 is pi by 2. Sin 90 minus x is cos x. Here sin x. It will be like this. What is the answer? According to that formula, b minus a by 2. b pi by 3 minus pi by 6 by 2. Pi by 3 minus pi by 6 is pi by 6 by 2 means pi by 12. That's it. Is it clear? So these two are depends on the tip only. Now look at the next question. That is given in MSET 2018. In this question, integral of 1 by 1 plus tan x whole power root over 2018 between the limit 0 to pi by 2 are given. In this one, what is the lower limit? A is 0, b is pi by 2. And we can apply that formula. We can rewrite this question is like this. You know, tan we can add sin by cos, means what? It limits from 0 to pi by 2. 1 by 1 plus sin power 2018x by cos power 2018. Root is the root also can write. Right? X. But taking the LCM. What is LCM here? Root over cos x whole power root over 2018. But taking the LCM, that will comes in numerator. Means it becomes cos power root over 2018 function by denominator cos power root over 2018 plus sin power, this is sin power root over 2018 function x is angle x. What are the limits from 0 to pi by 2? Now tell me what this formation. In place of fx, what is there? Cos x root over 2018. F of a plus b, what are the a, b? A is 0, b is a pi by 2. A plus b, 90. 90 minus x, cos 90 minus x is sin x. Here same function is there. Therefore, it is also in the same form, but we have to write one step. We can convert into that form. We can write tan is sin by cos. Now, according to that formula, what is the answer? B minus a by 2. Pi by 2 minus 0 is pi by 2 by 2 is pi by 4. So, it's very, very simple. Is it clear? What I applied here? Applied that super duper tip. Integral of fx between the limits a to b f of a plus b minus x plus fx is b minus a by 2. So, I hope so. This tip is very clear. So, we will move to the next tips. Is it okay? Right. 2 tips. These are very, very important for MSET point of view, mains point of view. In case of definite integral, these 2 tips are very, very important. You know, these are from your board examination syllabus also. Very, very simple and important. Where else you can use, where we want. First of all, how can you remember it? If the integral is in the form of fx between the limit 0 to 2a, it becomes 2 times of fx same function between the limit 0 to a. A means a to a, but there is a means half of the 2a. A will 2, we can write 2 times of fx between the limit 0 to a when f of 2a minus x is equals to fx. When f of 2a minus x is equals to fx. Same result will be 0 when f of 2a minus x is equals to minus fx. We can check the function. F of 2a minus x is equal to minus fx or f of 2a minus x is equal to plus fx. You have to check first. Then we can use either this form or 0. In case of from limits 0 to 2a. Come to this point. Here limits are from minus a to plus a. Both are the same limits. One is negative sign, other is positive sign. Where a is any value, but here minus a to plus c fx dx is here also 2 times of fx between the limit 0 to a when f of minus x is equals to fx. In place of x, we have to check minus x. If it is the same function, we can take this is 2 times of 0 to lower limit becomes 0, upper limit is as it is. Like that we can apply this tip. In case of f of minus x is equals to minus fx, f of minus x is equals to minus fx, this result becomes 0. In indirectly we can call it as this is even function, this is odd function. When it is even function, 2 times of 0 to a we can write. If it is odd function, becomes 0. Okay, these two are very, very important. We can use some other cases also. Wherever maybe we need, there we can apply those two tips. Okay, now we can come to these questions. How I am using those tips for these questions. You can observe that first eighth question. What is the function here? Integral of x power 11 cos x plus e power x between the limits minus 2 plus 2. If there is minus 2 to plus 2, we can concentrate on this step. Minus a to plus a is there. Here minus 2 to plus 2 is there. If you apply the direct integration, it takes too much time. What you have to do, first we can make the separation of the terms. What is the first term? We can observe that what is the first term here. Integral of x power 11 cos x between the limits minus 2 to 2 plus minus 2 to 2 function e power x dx. We can observe that both are the two separate functions. What is this x power 11 cos x from minus 2 to plus 2? We can check this one. In place of x, take the minus x. Minus x whole power 11 is minus x power 11. Cos minus x is cos x only. Means it is clearly f of minus x is equals to minus fx. Means indirectly this should be 0. Plus, what is next term? E power x. E power x is neither in the form of f of minus x is equals to fx or f of minus x minus fx. We can find out simply this integral. What is e power x integral? E power x. E power x between the limits minus 2 to plus 2. You know that clearly how can you apply the limits? E power 2 minus or minus e power minus 2. E power minus 2 minus e power minus 2. This is only our required integration. Is it clear? So simply you can apply the e power x integral only indirectly. This becomes 0 according to this concept. Clear? Now look at the next question. It is integral of x cube plus x cos x plus tan power 5x plus 1 is given. What are the limits from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2? Same way minus a to a. In place of a, pi by 2 is there. So here what is the value? That is doesn't matter. Minus a to a form is there or not. You can think about it first of all. Here also, if you take the direct integration, it takes too much time. We can make the separation of these. First of all, x power 3. X power 3 with use by using the minus x in place of x, minus x cube. Minus x cube means what? That is the odd function. Means it is 0, right? Plus x into x is minus x cos minus x is cos x means it is also minus fx. Means this is also 0 plus tan. Tan minus x is minus tan x with odd power minus only. Means it is also 0. Finally, what is left over? Only 1 between the limits from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. You know, integration of 1 is x. Limits are applying from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Now, upper limit is pi by 2 minus or minus plus pi by 2 is a pi. You know what are the limit applications that all are used here. Clear? So, you have to think this is in the form of, these two are in the form of minus a to a. So, if it is either minus fx or plus fx, you can check. So, according to these tips, these notations, I did these two questions. Is it clear? Now, we'll move some more questions. Now, look at the question number 10. Question number 10 is in the form of integral of root over 1 minus x plus x square minus root over 1 plus x square between the limits minus 1 to plus 1. What is this form? It is in the form of integral fx from the limits from minus a to a form. We can check this is f of minus x is equal to fx or f of minus x is equal to minus fx. What is the fx function here? This is clearly fx function. If substitute the in place of x is minus x, what happened? 1 minus or minus plus x plus minus x whole square is plus x square only, means this becomes root over 1 plus x square with the minus root over f of x in place of x take the minus x, 1 minus x plus minus x whole square is x square. That is a 1 minus x plus x square. Now this is fx. This is in the same form only, but what is changed here? Terms will be here and there will be exchanged. But take the minus is common here. What happened? It becomes root over 1 minus x plus x square with the minus of root over 1 plus x square. So this is clearly in the form of minus fx, means 100% is 0. This is clearly in the form of minus fx. This is fx, this is minus fx, means 100% 0. F of minus x is equals to minus fx, this is result becomes 0 I said. Same thing only I used here. Now come to the next question. So same method only here and there. It is given that MSET 2016. In this question, integral from -1 to 1, same way denominator is both are plus, no need to worry about the denominator. What is numerator? In place of x we can write minus x, it becomes 1 minus x plus x square with minus 1 plus x plus x square, means this becomes what? Minus fx. It is 100% 0. F of minus x is equals to minus fx, you can think this is fx. F of minus x is equals to minus fx it becomes. Therefore 100% this result is also 0. Just we have to concentrate the even function, odd function. Is it clear? These are the very important. So we will discuss some more questions. Stay tuned. Come to the next questions. In these questions, first of all, you know what is the tip. This is the tips are nothing but reduction formulae. What are the reduction formula? You know very well from your board examination syllabus. But once again you can recollect them. Easy way how can you apply these reduction formulas? I am explaining here. That is important to you. Very important reduction formulas also. First of all, what is the first case? Integral of sine power nx between the limit 0 to pi by 2. Same cos power nx between the limit 0 to pi by 2. It is denoted as in. That is nothing but n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 upon and so on 1 by 2 into pi by 2. When it will be 1 by 2 when n is even. What you can observe that this tip? First of all, sine power nx, cos power nx, this power is n is in, maybe 4 i4, 3 i3. Limits must be from 0 to pi by 2. What you can observe this result? In the numerator you can observe that odd numbers are deducting from the n. In denominator even numbers are deducting from the n. You know n means n minus 0, 0 to 4 etc. even numbers. Like that we can recollect this tip. And by expanding like this, somewhere else you can get the 1 by 2. If you get the 1 by 2, immediately you can take pi by 2. When we can get the 1 by 2? When n is even. Same result, but somewhere else you can get the 2 by 3. When if you get the 2 by 3, when n is odd, into 1 we can take. No need to write 1, but you have to get the idea 2 by 3 when you can get. When you can get the 2 by 3? When n is odd. What is n is power of the sine and cos. Limits must be 0 to pi by 2, and 1 care you have to take. This angle must be 1 multiple, like 1x, 1t, like that, tx, like. If there is some 2x, 3x is there, we have to convert in this form, then only you can apply this tip. Is it clear? Reduction formula. So why I am explaining you repeatedly? To understand the tip, then only you can get the solution. If you understand easily, then only you can apply it easily. Okay. Now come to the next one. You will give in this case, you will give the sine function as well as cos function. Sine power is m, cos power is n. This is simply denoted as imn. Simply denoted as imn. Im comma n, where m is a power of sine, n is power of cos. Here also limits are from 0 to pi by 2 only. Right. Here also limits from 0 to pi by 2. What is the conditions? What are the conditions here? First condition is n minus 1 by m plus n, n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2. We can observe that from the numerator, all odd numbers are deducting from the n. In the denominator, all even numbers are deducting from the m plus n. We are going to apply like this. Somewhere else I can get. So it cannot be negative, it cannot be 0. There we can stop. Somewhere else you can get m comma 0 or m comma 1. M comma 0 or m comma 1. When we can get the m comma 0? When n is even. This power of n must be even. If you get the m comma 0, immediately you can take this is im. Im means again you can apply this formula. In place of n there is m. Symbol is only changed but formation is same. If you get the somewhere else m comma 1. M comma 1 when you can get? When n is odd number. Immediately you can take that value is 1 by m plus 1. That's it. But here you concentrate. There will be more and more cases, but I applied only 2 cases here for your easiness purpose. Only n Even or n odd, you have to think. If n is even, this should be m comma 0. M comma 0, I m comma 0 is nothing but im. Again, im we can split according to this formation. And n is odd, it becomes m comma 1. M comma 1 value itself only 1 by m plus 1. How we can apply these formations for the questions? You can look at the questions. Is it clear? I am applying, you can follow easily. So first of all, come to this question. Integral of sine power 4x between the limit 0 to pi by 2. It is clearly in the form of sine power and x only, but in place of n, what is there? 4. According to this form, that formula, what is the answer? N minus 1, 4 minus 1 by 4. 4 minus 1, n minus 1 by n 4. 4 minus 3 then. 4 minus 3 by 4 minus 2. N minus 3 by n minus 2. Now we can observe that here 4 minus 1 3 by 4, 4 minus 3 1 by 2, then 1 by 2 got. Immediately you can take into pi by 2. Why you got the 1 by 2? Because n is here, power 4 is even number. When n is even, you can get pi by 2, 1 by 2. There you can stop, then into pi by 2 you can write. So what is this answer? Now 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Therefore, this is 3 pi by 16. 3 pi by 16. That is our answer. Here, instead of this formula, simply you can remember like this also by taking this step. Instead of this step, directly you can recollect here. We can reduce the 1 from this one. 3 by, this is just from there onwards, you can reduce the 2 from the numerator as well as denominator, such that no negative, no 0. Like that, we can split it. 3 by 4. 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2, 1 by 2 into pi by 2. We can save this step also. Time saving is important. Okay, now come to the next question. I'll give to you one question for your work. Try to do it. Integral 0 to pi by 2 limits cos power 10x. You can do yourself. Same formula only. But in place of n, what is there? 10 is there. Try to do your side. Because it is also directly in that form. I'm not doing. Now you can look at this question. Integral cos cube, power is 3. But instead of angle, what is angle here? Not x here, 4x. We can reduce it as a x or t, whatever may be. These limits are also not in the form of 0 to pi by 2. This also you have to reduce. If you take some suitable substitution here, automatically limits also will be changed in the form of 0 to pi by 2. Or it is, first of all, you can take this as a substitution t. Let 4x is a t. 4 into x derivative dx is dt. What is the dx is 1 by 4 of dt. Now you know what are the limit changes. Upper limit is pi by 8. 4 into pi by 8 is pi by 2. Upper limit is pi by 2. What is lower limit? X is 0, 0. Therefore, this becomes cos power 3t. 1 by 4, I am writing here 1 by 4 into dt. Now it is clearly in the form of, tell me it is clearly in the form of integral of cos power nx between the limit 0 to pi by 8. Now we can write this answer is 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. 2 by 3 we got. 2 by 3 immediately. 2 by 3 into 1. 2 by 3 into 1 is 2 by 3 only. How we got the 2 by 3? Definitely can get the 2 by 3 form when n is odd number. Here 3 is clearly odd number. Definitely can get the 2 by 3 formation. Maybe in place of 3, 2019, maybe 2017 is there also. We can apply this is somewhere else you can get the 2 by 3, then we can stop. Right? These are the various questions. Some questions depends upon the sine power and x, cos power and x. Now we'll discuss some more questions depends on the IMN form. See, this is the form of integral of sine power 4x cos power x between the limit 0 to pi by 2. This is in the form of integral of sine power 6x cos power 5x between the limit 0 to pi by 2. Both are in the form of IMN formula. Integral of sine power mx into cos power nx between the limit 0 to pi by 2. What is IMN formula here? We can take n minus 1 by m plus n. It is clearly in the form of sine power mx cos power nx. What is m here? M is a 2. M is a 4. Sorry, m is 4, n is 2. What is m value? M is a 4. M is 4, n is 2. According to this formula, n minus 1. 2 minus 1 by m plus and 4 plus 2. 2 minus 1 cannot take 2 minus 3 now because negative will come. 2 minus 1 by 4 plus 2. Now you can stop here. What is the now n? You can concentrate on n. N is what here? 2. 2 is even or odd? 2 is clearly even number. If it is even, n is even, what you can get? I m comma 0. Means we can write here I m comma 0. M is 4. 4 comma 0. That is 1 by 6 into I 4 comma 0. I m comma 0 is now simply I m. In place of m, what is there? 4. It is equals to I 4. I 4 means come to this formula. So I given the 1 by 6 of 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. We can reduce the 2, 3 minus 2, 1 by 4 minus 2 to 1 by 2. We got 1 by 2 immediately you can write pi by 2. So I 4, 4 is the even number, n is even, you can get compulsory 1 by 2, immediately you can take pi by 2. What is the answer now? 3 pi by 4, 16, 6, 96. Okay, 4, 4, 16, 6, 96. This is answer for this bit. IMN formula, it is there. We have to think about n is even or odd. Now come to this question. It is also same formula. What is m here? M is 6. N is a 5. Now according to this one, what is that? N minus 1. N 5 minus 1 by 5 plus 6. Now 5 minus 3 we can take now. 5 minus 3 by 5 plus 6. Next term will be there. 5 plus 6 with minus 2. We cannot take 5 minus 5 because 0 will come. Here you can stop. Now you can concentrate on n. N is what? N is 5 is odd number. When n is odd, what we can write? I m comma 1. I m comma 1 is simply 1 by m plus 1. In place of m, what is there? In place of m, 6 is there. I 6 comma 1 we can write. Now this is 4 by 11. 4 by 11. 4 minus 2, 2 by 9 into I 6 comma 1. I m comma 1 is simply 1 by m plus 1. Means 1 by m is 6, 6 plus 1. Therefore this finally 8 by 99 into 7. We can calculate this is how much we can get easily. These are the some reduction formulas of sin power n x, cos power n x between the limit 0 to pi by 2. In formulas and imn formulas are given. These are mostly helpful to you. We can refer from your side tan power n x, cos power n x also try to do. So we can get the more and more points, different types of points. Okay, I hope so. This is most helpful to you. Make sure if you enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe. So in next video I will meet with the other topic. Till then, take care. Bye.